You can create a sticker of whatever you can imagine by going into the sticker section of your chat, tap on create and then write down the words you want, like Michael Jackson eating ice cream, and it generates that sticker so you can easily use it in your chats. That's amazing. For privacy, you can now send photos and videos that disappear from your WhatsApp chat after the recipient has opened them once. Although this isn't new, I think a lot of people need to know this. To do this, while sending the photo or the video, tap on this icon to enable view once, and they won't be able to screenshot or save that photo either. So in this video, I'll try to share with you guys the top 40 impressive WhatsApp tricks and hacks everyone should know and learn right now. Have you ever wanted to save important info from a chat so you can easily access all this bookmarked information from one point on your smartphone? Then it's easy, just tap and hold on the message and then hit on the star icon or the star option from the menu here. Next time you want to check out the bookmarked or starred information, tap on the three dots and pick starred messages and all of them should appear. If you want to jazz up your chat's background or wallpapers for specific contacts, go into the chat, then tap on these three dots again, choose wallpaper and get creative with the photos from your gallery if you will. You can actually set this wallpaper for one chat or all your chats on the current theme. Now for WhatsApp groups, here are some tips you need to know. If you want to know who's read your message on the group, no problem. Long press the message you send and hit the info button, and there you have the list of all the readers. Now have you messed up a message? Don't worry, you can edit it within 15 minutes. Just long press the message and tap on edit and fix that oops moment. Now making decisions in a group is a breeze. You can create a poll from the attachment icon here and see who's voted also. That's handy, right? Are you tired of a group but you don't want to make that big exit? You can quietly leave without notifying everyone. Just tap on the group name, scroll down and hit that exit group. Only admins will see you leave. Now if you decide to stay in the group but need some peace, you can also mute the group. Tap the name, toggle mute and choose your quiet time, 8 hours, 1 week or forever. Did you know you could send messages to yourself on WhatsApp? Yeah, you can. Just go into your contacts and select you. This is a nifty way to keep your notes or reminders without bothering your siblings or loved ones with constant DMs. I actually do get a lot of those. Now, if you're tired of scrolling to find your favorite contacts or groups and you don't want to pin them in your chats, here's a quick fix for that. Long press the chat or group you love, then tap on the menu option here and add chat shortcuts. This creates a shortcut on your home screen and you can now jump straight into the chat from your home screen. When you want to emphasize a word in your chat, keep it simple. Use underscores before and after the word to get italics or stars before and after to make it bold. Another tip here is reacting to statuses. This is now a breeze. Just swipe up and pick the reaction that matches your feels, just like Facebook reactions. Now, if you want to set a special notification tone for that special someone, it's pretty easy. Just find your name in your chat list, tap on it, scroll down and hit custom notifications. From there, you can choose a tone that suits their vibe, you know? Now, if you're feeling a bit overwhelmed with notifications, you can tone things down. Go to your settings and tap on notifications, and you can turn off notifications for conversations by simply toggling off conversation tones. You can also change your general notification tone to something more your style by tapping on notification tone. Have you ever sent a photo or video and you're worried that WhatsApp might mess up the quality? No worries, just select the photo or video you want to send and tap on the HD icon to send the full quality. This ensures the media file gets sent in high definition to the person on the other end. Here's a nifty trick for those voice notes. If you're in a public place and you don't want to blast your voice note through the loudspeaker, no problem. Just play the voice note and put the phone to your ear. It will play this through the earpiece instead, saving you from any embarrassing moments. If you ever wanted to send a message to multiple friends all at once without creating a group, then you need a broadcast. Just tap those three dots, choose new broadcast, then select the contacts and type your messages, and boom, it's done. The broadcast list stays right there in your chat list for future messaging, no hassles. Now let's talk about those moments when you send a message and you instantly regret it. No worries, we've all been there. To save the day, tap and hold the message, then hit the delete icon and choose delete for everyone. Poof, and it's gone for everyone forever. Okay, if you're tired of sifting through a sea of unread and read messages, or if you want to see just the unread messages, no problem. Simply open the search bar, then tap on unread, and only the important messages will be front and center. It's that simple. If you're in a pinch and you need someone to know your exact location, easy peasy. Go to the contact you want to share this information with and tap the attachment icon. Select location and hit share live location. Now let's talk a little bit about privacy. If you want to lock a chat with a specific contact and keep it super secure with your fingerprint or Face ID, here's how. Open the chat and tap on the contact's name, scroll down and hit chat lock. Enable it with your fingerprints. When you return to your chat, that conversation would be hidden. Just swipe down a bit, select Locked Chats, Authenticate, and you're in. It's that simple. Now let's talk about how to lock the application itself, WhatsApp. You can set a fingerprint or Face ID lock for WhatsApp, and this means no more worrying about prying eyes. To do this, just head to your settings, tap on privacy, and then find fingerprint lock. I love to set mine to immediately for that extra security. While you're in there, that's the privacy settings, you can hide your messages content in notifications, to keep those messages a mystery for those snooping around. Next, let's keep things low key. I'm not a fan of letting people know when I've read their messages or viewed their stories. So in settings, tap privacy and turn off read receipts. But keep in mind, you won't see if someone reads your messages or views your statuses. While still in privacy, you can vanish from the radar. Turn off your last seen and your online status. Now nobody knows when you were last seen online or whether you are online actually. For those unknown callers, people who just call you out of the blue because they got your contact and you don't have them on your contact list, you can actually set their calls to silence. Go into settings and tap on privacy, just toggle on the switch under calls to silence their calls. Okay, some people like their privacy to the max and so on. This feature I'm sharing with you here would help you hide your profile picture from people. You can hide from everyone, your contacts, or even be more selective with a filter. And you can actually hide your profile picture from everyone. Now let's delve into the world of disappearing messages. That is to say, you want the messages you sent out to disappear from your recipient's chat after a set period of time. And this is how to go about that. Go into the privacy settings and then choose when your messages disappear. This would apply to everyone you chat with. But if you want it to be just one contact, head to their chat and tap on their name, then turn on disappearing messages. Then follow the same process to select how long you want that to happen. Easy peasy. Now let's say you're chatting with someone who uses disappearing messages and you want to keep a specific message. No worries. Just tap and hold that message on your smartphone and tap on keep or bookmark this like a start message and that message won't disappear. If you want to personalize your profile with an avatar, head over to the settings and then tap on avatar. Now create your own manually or by taking a photo. This is a fun way to show off your personality. Now when it comes to security, there is this important feature a lot of people tend to overlook, and that is two-factor authentication. This simply adds an extra layer of security to save you from hacks. Now to enable this, go into your settings and choose account, then enable two-factor verification. Simply set up a PIN and provide an email for added security. Another tip here would be, if you want to use WhatsApp on two different smartphones, no problem. Install WhatsApp on the new device and then tap the three dots as seen here and select link device. On your primary device, go to linked devices, add the new one from here by scanning the QR code, and you can link up to 4 devices and chat from there even if your main device isn't connected to the internet. You actually have to access WhatsApp on the main device every 14 days or you'll be kicked out from the linked devices. Now here's another simple WhatsApp trick to send a text to a number you don't have in your contact list. Open your new chat and then tap on you, paste the number here and send it to yourself, and then tap on the number to start a new chat. It's that easy. Did you know you can record a voice status update? Go to your status page and then click and hold on this icon to record your voice status. You can also respond to statuses using a voice note. Simply swipe to respond and then tap and hold on this icon to record your response. So do not forget to subscribe and leave a comment saying I loved this so I can know the real G's who watched till the end. Kawida day.